Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you to get a My Same Monsters mod. So as you can see, I'm kind of broke right now, but with the mod you can actually get free diamonds. You also get VIP, skip ads, all this stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how to download it. It's super cool. So as you can see, I'm pretty broke, so let's get into the video and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So I'm just going to enable unlimited diamonds and see if they go up. So come on, bro. Why aren't you going up? Yo, look at that. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to download it onto your device. It's super cool. So let's get straight into the video because this is super crazy. So what you got to do is go to tweakmod.com and type in My Same Monsters. Press install, and then verification is the final step. You have to download 2 apps to complete the instructions. They're 100% for free and they're from the official App Store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. This is also the new version 7.8, so it's a very good version for new versions. It's like updated and everything. So let's get into the tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So it's almost done. So we'll just give it a second to go ahead and load. So there we go. It's loading up right now. All right, brothers, we are good to go. So as you can see, it's in missing files. Additional files are required. So what we have to do is download 2 of these apps, complete the instructions. They're 100% for free from the official App Store. So just press on it. It'll bring you to the store. And then TikTok, for instance, down and run for 3 days. Text now, make a 30-second call. So just do 2 of them, guys. Then the My Same Monsters mod will download onto your device. And you'll be rich. It's so cool, guys. This fully works. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been looking for a My Same Monsters mod forever. One thing I would recommend, go to settings, battery, and turn off low power mode. That can screw you up, so make sure low power mode is disabled. But other than that, guys, you should be all good to go. Just make sure you do the verification and you guys are going to be all set. So I'm going to see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe. It's super cool. That's how you get the My Same Monsters modded version, guys, on your device. That's so good, bro. It actually works. So definitely go ahead and try it out, guys. It's so crazy. Like, My Same Monsters, it's not a game where you can really, like, mod it. But yeah, this is good. This is crazy.